Everyone, the side of an equilateral triangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. So at what rate will its area increase when the side is 20 centimeters? That in an equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. So let x be the side of one equilateral triangle. So we are given that the side is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. That the side x is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. So dx by dt equals 2 centimeters per second. Now we need to find out the rate at which the area is increasing. So the formula for area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into side square, which is x square. So this is the formula for area, and when we differentiate it with respect to time to find out the rate, so dA by dt, it ultimately becomes root 3 upon 4 into differentiation of x square here is 2x, and when we further differentiate this x, it becomes dx by dt. So solving this equation, root 3 upon 2 is as it is. The side is increasing at the rate of 2, and we are given the side of the triangle to increase, which is 20 centimeters. So on multiplying these, we get the answer as 20 root 3 centimeters per second square. Thank you.